Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial: how to change your password on PayPal in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your account security or just updating an old password, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. PayPal is one of the most popular payment platforms, handling millions of transactions daily, so keeping your account safe is crucial to protect your personal information from potential threats. First things first, make sure you're on a secure device and have your current PayPal login details ready. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official PayPal website at www.paypal.com. Once there, click on Log In at the top right corner, enter your email or phone number associated with your account, and then type in your current password. Hit Log In to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, look for the Settings or Security option. This is usually found in the top menu or under your profile icon. It's often represented by a gear symbol. Click on it, and you'll see a section for Password or Login and Security. Select Change Password. From there, PayPal might prompt you to verify your identity, so be prepared to enter a code sent to your email or phone. Next, you'll be asked to enter your new password. Remember, a strong password is key. Aim for at least 8 characters, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Type in your new password twice to confirm, then hit Save or Update. PayPal will process this quickly, and you might need to log in again with your new credentials. Once that's done, you're all set. It's a good habit to change your password every few months or after any suspicious activity. If you run into any issues, PayPal's Help Center is always available. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.